Look what I have here. A Linux Mint desktop, and in it I have Google Drive integrated directly into the File Explorer. Here I call the File Explorer. Here's my Google Drive. I go to My Drive. I click onto some folder and I can surf around in this just like in a normal file system. How did I do this? I will show you for Linux Mint and for all other Linux distributions within the next 3 minutes. First, I show you how to get rid of Google Drive. I go to the Linux Mint menu. I say Online Accounts and I remove the Google Online account. And now, as you can see, Google Drive is gone from my file manager. So let's add it again. Again, I say Online Accounts. And I want to show you that it really works and really is quick. You just have to sign in to Google with your browser like this. Then you select your Google account and let the system log you in. Allow GNOME, your desktop environment, to see everything. And then you click to continue. And now you have it open. You can close it. And still, when you open File Manager the next time, here you will find now Google Drive again. So this is how easy it is to set it up. So how do you do it under Ubuntu? Quite similar. You click on Settings, you search for Online Accounts, so you search and now Online Accounts, and now you have the same display. How do you do it for other Linux distributions? You call GNOME Online Accounts GTK, because this is only for GNOME and only for the GNOME toolkit. So if you do not have this command, then you need to do sudo apt install GNOME Online Accounts GTK. I have already done this, so I can just call it, and there you also see the same thing. This is how you do it under Ubuntu and all other Linux distributions.